Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about venous supply of face in a very easy way to remember so that it's easy to recall. Yeah, so let's just start with the venous supply of face. Now, for the venous supply of face, I want you to remember two things, that we have different branches draining into EGV and different in IGV. Let's just start from the easier aspect. So suppose yeah, so first of all, I have some two veins here, right? Then they go like this into the internal jugular vein. So this is internal jugular vein. Then I have one branch over here. So let's just follow the course so that you can remember it also. So first of all, the two branches that I made are supratrochlear vein and supraorbital vein. Alright, then here they form the angular vein. Then the angular vein drains into the facial vein. Then we have common facial vein. Okay, then this continues like this. Here I have my subclavian vein from which I have the EGV, right? And it goes like this. So this is EGV. Now this I want you to know. Now this is the posterior division of retromandibular vein, and this is anterior division. So, and we have one more here, which is our maxillary vein. Then we have superficial temporal vein, posterior auricular vein. Now I'll just briefly tell you what happened. So first of all, we had supratrochlear and supraorbital vein. Then it drained into angular vein. Okay, let's just make a schematic diagram again. So supratrochlear and supraorbital, it drained into angular vein. Okay, then there was some branch of anterior division of retromandibular vein. ठीक है, it combined with the facial vein. They formed common facial vein, which in turn drained into the IGV. ठीक है, now from the posterior aspect. Now in posterior aspect, what happened was we had posterior auricular vein, right? This one. So we had posterior auricular vein, which combined with branch of posterior. Just wait. I will draw it here so that it's easy. So here you had like anterior है तो posterior भी होगा, posterior division of retromandibular vein. So like posterior division of retromandibular vein, it basically had drained or combined with posterior auricular vein, as you can see in the diagram. This is the posterior auricular vein. ठीक है, so both of them combined and they drain into E, external jugular vein, which in turn drain into subclavian vein. So in MCQs, usually question is ki which is formed by which, like facial vein and anterior division is combining, so you have common facial vein and it is draining into internal jugular. If posterior and this posterior auricular and posterior division, then you have EGV. So yeah, so this is the venous supply of face. I hope I made it easier for you to understand and remember. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.